First and foremost, I have to say thank you to each and every one of you that voted for me last year for the Weather Channel contest. It's Amazing Out There 2017. You might know the results already. We did second place, which is freaking unbelievable. Second place in the nation. In the nation. Yes, in the nation. Thank you guys again. Now, if you're new here, you're probably wondering who I am. My name is Dave Nabala, and I'm based out of Western New York. I'm a hobbyist photographer trying to do this full time, working on it. But I love to chase your crazy storms in the summer, in the winter. I love chasing sunsets, and I also do side gigs as well. So if you need pictures, just let me know. And just to recap what the Weather Channel contest is, basically we get to submit pictures and you guys get to vote on the pictures, and the highest voted picture wins $1,000 and is classified as the fan favorite. And voting goes for 28 days, and it starts this year on August 14th at noon. August 14th at noon. Everybody, mark your calendars for August 14th at noon. That is when voting starts. Last year, we sprinted to first place. Sprinted. We closed the first day of voting in first place. Oh my gosh, the feeling I felt that night, going to bed knowing that I was first place for a nationwide contest, especially for the Weather Channel. If you don't know me, I love weather. Absolutely love weather. If I could have, I would have became a meteorologist. Who knows? Maybe I still will. But basically, the Weather Channel contest is putting this out. If you get first place, you get $1,000. If you get second place, you get $750, which yours truly came in last year, second place. Third place, I think, is $500, and that's it. First, second, third. There's also a judged portion as well. Basically, the judged portion is by a couple of judges, and if you win, you get $15,000. I would love that. Okay, moving forward. Let me tell you why I chose the picture that I did. You'll see here, I'll make it cover the screen. Basically, you'll see that this is a lightning picture right over the city of Buffalo. And growing up, my dad used to take us down to the lake all the time when the storms were rolling in, specifically down in Hamburg, which is where this shot was taken from. And I remember a huge storm going over the city, and you could just see bolts of lightning going and hitting everything, and it was amazing, and it stuck with me since. And I always wanted to get a picture just like that one night. And I just so happened to get a text from my dad one day saying, "Dave, get down to the lake. You need to get there." Well, I was at work. As soon as I got out of work, grabbed the camera, went down to the lake, and sure enough, it looked like fireworks were going off all along the shoreline. It was absolutely crazy. Set up my camera and just started rifling off pictures one after another. And the storm is getting a lot closer to me, and I'm getting worried because I'm the first metal object on shore. I set the camera up, and I saw a bolt strike right behind the city, but I wasn't running the camera. I didn't have a shot going. So I saw it, and I was just blown away. It was like exactly what I've been dreaming of. And I thought, tonight's definitely going to be the night. Tonight, I'm going to get this picture. Sure enough, I snapped the next picture, and it's a countdown of 10 seconds. And all of a sudden, boom, 2 lightning bolts strike the city. My jaw hit the ground. Bolt of lightning struck the water probably 100 yards to my left. I had to grab the camera. It started pouring. Got in my truck, and I literally screamed because it was the picture that I have been dreaming of for such a long time. And that's why I want to enter this contest with this picture, because I want the nation to see that Buffalo is not just all snow. It's way more than just that. And I feel this picture really evokes weather, which is a Weather Channel contest. And composing everything of it together, too, was just spot on, in my opinion. And I hope you guys like it, too, and I hope you like it enough to vote for me. That would be incredible. So let's move on to explaining how to vote. So you can vote in one way. Basically, I have a link specifically to my image. You click on the link, and it brings up my image. and you click vote, and that will cast your vote. What you want to do is remember that number vote, and also remember what time you voted at. Because if you vote, say, today at 6 p.m., and then tomorrow you'll be able to vote again at 6 p.m., and then the following day at 6 p.m., and then the following day at 6 p.m. So it's important to remember what time you voted. Also, in the comments, like when you do start voting, do me a favor and just put the number vote of, you know, what it was. Like last year, we almost got 10,000 votes. I was, oh my gosh, thrilled to see that. I'm hoping this year we can get 10,000 votes. I am hoping we can easily get 10,000 votes. That is my objective, and I think that'll definitely help clinch the first spot. That's for sure. Now, if you are voting from mobile, last year we didn't have a problem with Android phones, but iPhones were frustrating. Basically, with an iPhone, if it's the same as last year, you have to copy the link into Safari, and then you have to cast your vote through Safari. You can't cast a vote through the app on Facebook. It's really weird. Don't know why. Hopefully they fixed it this year. Also, you'll notice I created a voting page. I'm just trying to create a reminder for everybody that voting starts on August 14th. So if you wanted to opt in on that event, it's just a digital event. There's no physical location, guys. That would be incredible. And also, I just want to go through the power of sharing. You might be able to share this video, and maybe you share it to your timeline, okay? Someone might see this and think, oh my gosh, I want to help this gentleman out. And then she shares it. And then that person, you know, has a huge audience, and then they share it. And it just kind of snowballs from there. If you guys could do me the favor and just share this video, that would be incredible. I'm really hoping that I can pull off first place. The camera, yeah. I thought last year I was going to get a camera. Unfortunately, a series of events has happened, and I'm still have the old camera, unfortunately. But yes, thank you guys so much. You guys are all awesome. If you have any questions, comment below. I will answer them right away. Yeah, August 14th, guys. August 14th.